Whether you need to clean your car, garage, window panes, tiled driveway, or even your garden, pressure washers are your outdoor vacuum cleaner counterpart to keep any outdoor space and equipment shining clean. You need to choose this powerful cleaning equipment with extreme care for fruitful and safe results. So if you are interested in buying one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Take a look at the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. Our list begins with the Joe SPX3000 electric high-pressure washer. This pressure washer packs a powerful punch with its 1800-watt motor. It generates up to 20-30 psi of water pressure and 1.76 GPM of water flow. Equipped with a dual detergent tank system, this pressure washer carries and stores 2 different detergent types simultaneously in its 2 0.9-liter onboard removable detergent tanks. You can conveniently switch between other detergents with its detergent selection dial and blast away all sorts of grime. It features a 34-inch extension spray wand to access hard-to-reach areas. This pressure washer lets you tailor the spray's pressure output to your cleaning need with Joe's 5 Quick Connect spray nozzles. You can interchange nozzles to quickly go from a high-pressure 0-degree pencil point jet to a low-pressure 40-degree fan spray, or apply a detergent to the cleaning surface with the soap nozzle for additional cleaning power. The Westinghouse WPX2700 2700 psi 2.3 GPM gas-powered pressure washer has the muscle to blast away grime from even your toughest cleaning jobs. It is built from a powerful 4-cycle horizontal shaft OHV Westinghouse engine. It's meant for powerful heavy-duty cleaning. From a range of 4 nozzle tips with varying degrees of pressure, you can interchange the heads to suit your specific challenge of the day. Constructed with a 3.3-liter fuel capacity and a convenient 1.6-liter soap tank on its side, it is safe to use brick, stone, concrete, wood, aluminum, and iron. It uses a rigid steel frame construction and never flat wheels that offer easy roll-away mobility, allowing you to maneuver the strength of this washer to scale across walls and get into hard-to-reach corners. However, you can add your chemical or detergent for extra cleaning power with a 0.5-gallon soap tank. Want to wash your car without scrubbing it by hand? A pressure washer like the Karcher K5 will get the job done in no time. It is designed for high-end performance with 2000 psi and a 1.4 GPM water flow rate. Karcher's K5 Premium is perfect for users who demand the ultimate home cleaning level. Also, it is engineered to withstand the rigorous demands of frequent residential use. It comes with a patented water-cooled induction motor that prolongs the engine's life by up to 5 times, reducing noise output, lowers energy consumption. Besides, it has a built-in hose reel that helps prevent kinks in the high-pressure hose and makes winding or unwinding a simple task. It comes equipped with large 7.7-inch high-impact wheels and a tall, durable handle. You can also attach the Vario Power Spray wand, which allows you to adjust the pressure right on the rod. The next product on the list is the RYOBI 2300 psi pressure washer. It is engineered to handle even your toughest jobs. This pressure washer features a powerful 13-amp high-efficiency brushless electric induction motor and pressure technology. With 2300 psi of force, it is exceptional for quick cleaning of driveways, decks, windows, patio furniture, and other areas around the house. This unit also includes a bonus turbo nozzle that delivers up to 50% more cleaning power. It has a professional metal spray wand with a quick connect coupler for easy nozzle changes. This pressure washer offers onboard accessory storage for user convenience. The Simpson MegaShot MSH3125S is a gas pressure washer, which is powered by Honda. It works at 3200 psi at 2.5 GPM. This easy-to-use power washer will eliminate dirt, grime, or even mildew from any hard-to-remove spot or area. It offers a maintenance-free OEM Technologies axial cam pump. It is made from heavy-gauge frame components, welded steel construction, and has 10-inch wheels. Also, its lightweight and compact construction allow comfortable and hassle-free transportation. Besides, it is equipped with Moreflex hoses, which are non-marring, kink, and abrasion-resistant. which means this pressure washer hose can withstand some heavy-duty use. M22 connectors will ensure a secure and safe fit. Altogether, this washer is designed for optimum performance in the harshest environments and renowned for being consistently easy to start. Last on the video, but at the top of the list, we have the Greenworks GPW1501. It dials back the power to 1500 psi and 1.2 GPM, making it ideal for smaller projects, such as cleaning lawn furniture and washing your car. This lightweight electric pressure washer weighs 17 pounds and includes a 35-foot power cord and a 20-foot high-pressure hose. It can be used vertically or horizontally for more excellent stability, and it comes with 25 and 40-degree quick connect tips for different spraying levels. Plus, it includes a soap applicator to apply soap to clean any surface thoroughly. On the other hand, it consists of a 25-degree and 40-degree quick connect tip for various cleaning applications. This video was about best pressure washers. Show us your love by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye-bye.